if tan phi theta by 2 is equal to root 3 and theta is acute, then find the value of 2 theta. Given tan 5 theta by 2 is equal to root 3. Tan 5 theta by 2 is equal to tan 60 is equal to root 3. 5 theta by 2 is equal to 60. 5 theta is equal to 60 into 2. Theta is equal to 60 into 2 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are. Theta is equal to 12 into 2, 24 degrees. 2 theta is equal to 2 into 24 is equal to 48. Evaluate 3 cot square 30 degrees plus secant square 45 degrees. 3 cot square 60 degrees plus secant square 45 degrees is equal to 3 into cot square 60 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square plus secant square 45 degrees is equal to root 2 whole square is equal to 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 1 by 3 plus root 2 whole square is equal to 2. 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Given that cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, find the value of cos 15 degrees taking A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 45 degrees. Given cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Put A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 45 degrees. That is cos 60 degrees minus 45 degrees is equal to cos 15 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 45 degrees plus sin 60 degrees into sin 45 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 plus sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 into sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2, that is root 3 by 2 root 2 is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2 is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2 into multiply and divide by root 2 is equal to 1 plus root 3 into root 2 divided by 2 into root 2 into root 2, that is 4.